Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Removing Variables in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In Python, removing variables is a common task that developers encounter when managing memory or cleaning up their code. Understanding how to properly remove variables is crucial for efficient resource utilization. This tutorial will guide you through different methods to remove variables in Python, along with code examples. Using del statement. The del statement is a straightforward way to remove variables in Python. It can be used to delete a single variable or multiple variables. Keep in mind that using del only removes the reference to the variable, and the memory will be freed if there are no other references to the object it was pointing to. Using locals, or globals, with del. You can use the locals, or globals, functions along with del to remove variables dynamically. This method is useful when you have the variable name as a string and need to remove it dynamically. Using exec function. The exec function allows you to execute a dynamically created Python code. While it should be used with caution due to potential security risks, it can be used to remove variables. Note: avoid using exec with untrusted input to prevent code injection vulnerabilities. Garbage collection. Python has a built-in garbage collector that automatically reclaims memory from objects that are no longer referenced. While developers usually don't need to explicitly invoke the garbage collector, you can do so using the GC module. This approach is particularly useful for dealing with circular references. Conclusion. Removing variables in Python can be achieved through various methods, and the choice of method depends on the specific requirements of your code. Understanding the implications of each method will help you manage resources efficiently and write cleaner, more maintainable code. ChatGPT. Title: A Guide to Removing Variables in Python. Introduction. In Python, removing a variable involves deleting it from memory to free up resources. This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing a variable using the del statement and explain some best practices. In this example, del my_variable removes the variable my_variable from memory, and any attempt to access it afterward will result in a name error. However, there are scenarios where explicit deletion may be useful, such as when dealing with large data structures or in specific optimization cases. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored how to remove variables in Python using the del statement. While explicit variable deletion is not always necessary, it can be useful in specific cases. Understanding when to use del and being mindful of variable scope will help you manage memory efficiently in your Python programs. ChatGPT.